Now guys, consider this for a second. You just wake up early in the morning, check your phone, and see a lot of notifications saying you got money transferred into your bank account. And you got more than $500 directly transferred into your account. And what if I told you that this happens to me almost every single morning? I know that sounds amazing, doesn't it? But would you believe me if I told you that you can get these updates every single day when you wake up? And everything you need to know is in this video. So today's video will change how you look at making money online, because I'm going to show you different apps that are completely free and will pay you automatically with little to no effort whatsoever. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a lot of money with this income stream. You don't need to make any videos of yourself, you don't need social media audiences, and you don't need any social media profile or accounts whatsoever. And you can start this income stream whatever your situation might be. This method can now be done completely and entirely from the comfort of your own home. So instead of going outside and doing actual work, you can raise money from the comfort of your own home. This method, like almost all the other ones I post on this channel, is completely free, and you do not have to pay or deposit any money, and this method works globally, so you do not have to go through the trouble of setting up a VPN and all of that stuff, because this method will work regardless from where you are in the world. I will walk you through the entire process and show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this fantastic income stream. Now, I want you to pay really close attention to this video, because if you skip any of the steps that I will be showing you, you might end up wasting your time and not making money at all. So pay attention to every second in this video, because I will be dropping some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this income stream to maximize your return on investment. But before we start, hello and welcome back to Try This Method. In this channel, I look around the internet and find ways for you to make money online, and I simply share them with you in this channel. So if you're interested in making money online, then this channel is the perfect one for you. So make sure you leave a big thumbs up, subscribe and activate notifications so you never miss out on any future videos. And also, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me. Now with that out of the way guys, let us begin with the video. Now the first app that I will be showing you today is called AppKarma. You can easily go to this website by clicking on your browser's address bar and typing in AppKarma, and that is at appkarma.io. Now, how this website operates is that you can receive rewards by playing games for free. So essentially, what you'll be doing on this website is completing deals to earn rewards, then redeeming those points for either PayPal or top brand gift cards. As you can see right here, this app is available for both Android and iOS, so you do not have to worry about it not being compatible with your mobile device. All you have to do is click on this green button right over here that says Get AppKarma, and that will install this app onto your smartphone. And once you install this app, you will already have 300 points. And now you have some points to exchange for PayPal Cash. So go ahead and try to complete as many tasks on this website as possible, and you will now have some points to exchange for either PayPal Cash or gift cards. The second app that I'll be showing you today is called SuperPay, which allows you to make money online by taking free paid surveys. This website has quick payments and can pay within 24 hours. They have a lower cash out threshold than most other websites you can find online. And you can also get a 20 cents join bonus. Again, these apps are completely free, so go to superpay.me and sign up for a completely free account and start making money right now. But wait, before we continue with the other apps, I would like to remind you that we have other videos on this channel about how to make money online. And the goal of Try This Method is to actually show you how to make money online and to build an online business and eventually have financial freedom. I make sure to put a lot of time and effort into these videos, so make sure that you like, subscribe and activate notifications so you guys never miss out on any future content. So yeah, I would really appreciate it guys if you click that red button down below. For app number 3, we have Smart App. You can easily navigate through this website by typing in smartapp.io into the address bar of your browser. So essentially, you can download this app for free and it will provide you with passive income every month. So essentially, all you have to do is sign up for a free account and then answer a survey to see if you apply to this app. And once you're approved, you can then install this app, and once you're finished, you can now start earning money online. So be sure to check out this app. And remember, this is Smart App and the link is smartapp.io. Moving on to the fourth app, and the app that we'll talk about is called Cashkick. You can easily go to Cashkick's website by typing in cashkick.com into the address bar of your browser. This one is very similar to an app that I'll be showing you next. So we're basically going to answer some surveys by watching videos and browsing the web. One of the best things about this app is that they can pay you directly into your PayPal account, so you can get started right away, as you can see right here on the right side. So simply register for a completely free new account on this website and begin earning money directly into your PayPal account. Now for the final app that I will be showing you today is called InstaGC, which works both on Android and iOS, so it doesn't matter what your mobile device is because InstaGC will work on that phone. But I'm curious, what mobile device are you using to watch this video? Is it an Android device or an Apple device, or are you watching from a computer? Tell me down in the comments below. But anyway, I will be using a computer for this video. You can easily navigate to this website by clicking on the address bar of your browser and typing in instagc.com. Now you might be wondering, how does InstaGC work? And more importantly, how can you make money from this app? So if you scroll down here, you will see that it says earn points for stuff you already do. As a result, this website will allow you to earn money for doing stuff you already do on the internet. So as you can see, you can either go ahead and spend some time doing surveys and they will pay you for it, or you can search the web, visit a few websites, and then combine this with another method right here, which is shopping online. So you're essentially killing two birds with one stone. I suggest that you use this one, which is only for watching videos. This is extremely convenient. Simply choose a video to play and then leave it to play in the background, and when you return, you will already have earned some money. So this website provides a variety of possible income sources, so I suggest that you guys go ahead and check it out. And of course, this is InstaGC and this is their website. You will see the sign up area right here, where you can either sign up using your Facebook account, Twitter account, or Google account. Or if you don't want to use any of them, you can just fill out this form right here to make a new account using your email. Now, a quick recommendation that I will give you guys is to create a new dummy email account to register on this website, since some of these websites tend to send a lot of emails and spam emails and promotional material to your inbox, so it can be a little bit annoying. So I personally use a dummy email and suggest that you do that as well. And that brings us to the end of the video today. Before we go, make sure to leave a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications so you never miss out on any future content. I make sure to post every day, so make sure you don't miss that out. And also, leave a comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to tell me something. I will make sure to answer every single one of you. And I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Take care, guys.